guys, welcome back to my channel, FunsizedStyle. My name is Michaela, and thanks for stopping by. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a makeup tutorial, but it's not just any makeup tutorial. I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial based on the theme of the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Purple Potion. If you missed that unboxing, please go ahead and watch that first, because this look will make a whole lot more sense if you go ahead and again watch that first. If you're unfamiliar with what Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box is, again, that video will also give you that information, but in super quick fashion. It is a monthly beauty subscription service featured around an entire makeup look. So they give you products to create, they make up a theme, and then they give you products to create that look, that theme's look. So this box was Purple Potion, and before I created a look using the products that were in the Purple Potion, the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Purple Potion theme box. Anyways, you guys get the gist of it. So again, this theme was Purple Potion, and they included products to create a Purple Potion look. Even though this individual box is not available anymore, I will link the products down below individually in case you're interested in using any of the products that I used in this tutorial and not just the ones that were included in the box. Also, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. I absolutely love this subscription. I've been subscribed for a while now, so I'm getting not so quickly caught up on Sweet Sparkle Beauty Boxes, but we're getting there, so let's go ahead and knock this one out and see how I created this Purple Potion look. So to start off this Purple Potion makeup look, I'm going to start by priming my face using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. So I will be sure to let you guys know when I use a product that was featured in the Sweet Sparkle Beauty, in the Purple Potion Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. I love me some primer water, okay? Also, my hair looks a little bit funky yet from surgery, so I apologize about that. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, click on this video. I think it's over here. Except when I edit, I think it flips, so I really don't know. Next, you guys know the drill. This is the NYX BB cream in the shade Nude, and I didn't lose the cap, but I just haven't put it on since I found it, so here it is. This is almost empty though, and then I'm going to be purchasing the IT Cosmetics CC cream. I've heard amazing things about that product, and I've just been using this for the past year or a few months, just trying to use it up. Next, for concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm in the shade Light. Next, for face powder to set everything, I'm going to be using the Elizabeth Mott Set for Life Loose Setting Powder in the shade Translucent. I've said this before, but I've just really been loving this loose setting powder. The way it just mattifies my face, it just makes everything look so good. I love it. Love this product. I promise we'll be getting into the products that were included in the Purple Potion Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box soon. But until then, next I'm going to be using my Mary Kay bronzing powder in the shade Light Medium that I have been using for forever, it feels like now. I promise we're going to get into the products from the Sweet Sparkle Purple Potion Box soon. Next, I'm going to use eyeshadow primer, and this is the Essence I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base. we get into the eyeshadow palette that was included in the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Purple Potion, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows using my favorite eyebrow pencil, and this is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the Brow Wiz in the shade Soft Brown. And then I promise you the next product will be from the Purple Potion Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. Before we start our eyeshadow, I just don't feel like doing eyeshadow yet because I'm not looking forward to it. You'll see why in a second. But I'm going to use a product that was featured in the Purple Potion Sweet Sparkle Box, Beauty Box, and this is by the brand Doucce. I always just spell it because I don't know how to pronounce it, and it's a very fancy brand, and I don't want to mess it up. So this is a blush in the shade Feeling You. I'm not feeling highlighter for this look for whatever reason. I don't know why. I'm just not. But next, I'm also going to be using, partnered with this blush, I'm going to be using another product that was included in the Purple Potion box, and that is a brush by the brand e.l.f. Cosmetics, and this is the blending brush. I'm pretty sure I was supposed to use it for something else, but didn't. I almost forgot to use it, and I already did powder, bronzer, all that stuff, so we're going to try to use it for blush. I don't think this is the right kind of brush for this at all. I know it's not, but it's not blending well, even though this is a blending brush. This side looks so much better than this side because I actually used the correct brush. So I'm going to cover this side up with like BB cream and concealer and like do that whole thing over again and reapply the blush. I should have paid more attention and realized that I needed to use this brush because I would have used it for bronzer instead of my blush. Whoops. But this is a really high quality brush. I'm not downgrading the brush by any means. I just didn't use it for the right thing. Okay, that looks so much better. Again, I just didn't use the right brush, so it's important to use the right tools when you're doing makeup because not everything works for every product. Does that make sense? Okay, going on to the next part of this Purple Potion look, where it's really gonna look like a Purple Potion look. The look isn't actually all purple like you would imagine. It's on the card if you watched the unboxing, which if you didn't, I highly recommend it. I'll link it in the iCard. They said it's like a purple, like sultry look, so they were incorporating like this coral color, which you'll also notice by the lip color, and purple. So it's a mix of like those two colors. They call it like purple and like sultry look, and so this is what's gonna make it look like a Purple Potion look. How many times did I say look? So this is an eyeshadow palette by the brand P.O Box, and this is the Smoky palette, and I'm actually not too excited about it, only because when I swatched it, it was not pigmented like at all, so I'm a little nervous about that. But I'm hoping that with some blending and really packing those brushes with shadow that it will work, because without this, it's really gonna be a bummer of a tutorial, because like this is it. Like these are all the colors and this is the only purple we have here. So, and I want to be able to use this palette because this is the main, I feel like, focal product of this look, Purple Potion, and of the theme. So I want to make it work. If you watched my last Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box tutorial, Fabulous Ball, you'll notice that I didn't say like what shadows I used for what until after, because I really didn't know like what I was going to be doing. Hold on, I sneeze. I really didn't know what I was going to be doing, like using what color for what part of my eye, and I think I'm going to do that the same this time. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of start, and then at the end I'll show you guys, well, you'll see along the way, of course, but I'll explain what colors I used for what part and all that. So let's get this started. I'm a bit nervous. Well, like a lot of nervous. Because this is like the focal product and it's not very pigmented. And this is the only purple product that they included other than eyeliner, which you guys know I exempt myself from. Okay, this was the most complicated eyeshadow I've ever done in my whole life. This palette is really awful, if I'm being honest. So I tried to use exclusively just this palette and none of my other makeup. See if I can make it work. Like I tried to use some of these cool toned looks because I thought these three would go really nice, and then put a little bit of this in my crease. These colors don't have individual names. They were awful. They did not blend. They were not pigmented. It was just horrifying. So I had to start all over, and I took my Urban Decay Naked palette, which is discontinued, and used the shade Virgin on my lid. And then I used this orangey golden color in my crease. And then I took a little bit of Naked in my crease as well, but I primarily used this yellowy orange golden color, and then I used this purple on my lid. The purple, let me show you my brush. It's so not pigmented that you literally have to pack the brush. Like this brush is like doused in purple eyeshadow because it's like so not pigmented. Like you literally have to use so much product to get this amount of pigmentation. Hold on. Not to mention, these shadows have a ton of fallout. I had to use a bunch of concealer afterwards to clean all this up. It was everywhere, and you can still probably see a little bit right here, but I would not recommend this palette. I am pretty good with eyeshadow. Maybe there's something I'm doing wrong, but I would honestly save your money on this palette and not get it. But it was included in the box, and that's why I do these tutorials, to do the looks and test the products for these Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. That's what I like about those, is featured around an entire look. So yeah, this is the eye look. There's really not much to it, but at least I was able to achieve that purple anyways. So we got that pop of purple in there. So next, going on to eyes, I need to do mascara, of course. So I'm going to go in with my Benefit They're Real Lash Primer, Tinted Lash Primer. Next, I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Peacock Flare Mascara. I've had this for a while, and I've really been enjoying using it. I kind of stopped using it for a while. I don't know why, and then recently I've been getting back into it. They sent it to me about a year ago, so it's probably expired, but I've still really been enjoying it. I will link that video down below, or in the iCard as well, with this little package I got from CoverGirl. Unfortunately, it was the only one I ever got, but I'm grateful for what I did get. Also, I'm pretty sure I mentioned that this was in the Purple Potion box, but if I forgot, this is one of the products that was in the box, the Purple Potion. For lip product, they included a liquid lipstick by the brand Kokie Professional, I always say Professionals. Professional. And this is the Lip Cador, pretty sure I'm saying that wrong, Liquid Matte Powder Lipstick. And this is in the shade LR868 Stunner. Again, they were going for that like purple, pop of purple, like sultry look. Completed look for a Purple Potion makeup tutorial. Overall, I think this look turned out okay. It's not my favorite because of the eyeshadow. I just don't think it's like anything special. I don't know. These were the colors that they included. This is what they considered a sultry, like, purple potion look. If you, again, go ahead and see the unboxing and I show you, like, the card and everything, this look will make a little bit more sense, but this is the makeup look for the Purple Potion Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. So that is the Purple Potion makeup look that I came up with using the products that were in the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Purple Potion. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. Again, it's not my favorite, but I used what I was given and made the best of it. So again, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. And thank you so much for watching. Again, all the products that I use will be linked in the description, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.